True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Right now, I'm at Spur Tree, Manchester. I know every day we drive on Spur Tree and we still never get the view in Saint Elizabeth. So right now, I'm gonna give you a view all over in Saint Elizabeth, all parts. It's a nice view, my people, so just watch it and take in the beauty. You can see over in Maine, gutters, pepper, all park, a lot more places. So we are in cool Spur Tree. So enjoy the view. Nice sky view. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I am on the Spur Tree main road. So I'm at a corner, a very dangerous corner. So when you're approaching this corner, you're gonna be careful, very careful. Cut your speed, look out for big units. Very dangerous corner. So I'm now on the straight, and like every other day, few days you can have an accident on Spur Tree. It's a very dangerous hill. So when coming down Spur Tree Hill, you need to go in low gear, take your time. As you can see, it's a speedy road. Very speedy road. So be careful on Spur Tree, my people. True Jamaican Vibes. So as you can see, a lot of big units passing on Spur Tree. Many big units. So you have to be careful. So when you're in Spur Tree, you can stop at your car wash, at a cool shade bar. You can have your jerk chicken. So take a tour of the area. Cool Spur Tree. So here you have a curry goat, Alex curry goat. So when you want your curry goat in Spur Tree, you can stop right here and enjoy your curry goat. Some real Jamaican ram goats, you know. True Jamaican vibes. Alex Curry Gold. Yes, my people, right now I'm at All Seasons Spur Tree. If you want your jerk chicken and your jerk pork, you need to come at All Seasons when you come at Spur Tree. You know, man, you need to come at them place here. Nice hangout spot when you come at Spur Tree. You can have your jerk pork and everything. Very tasty. Nothing cannot beat it in Spur Tree. So I'm at All Season. So yes, my people, so when you come to Spur Tree at 11 o'clock, you know, so your chicken is ready. Very tasty. You can see the menu, one stop. True Jamaican Vibes. So we all need to come to Spur Tree and enjoy ourselves. Very nice place and a very nice view also. Okay? So True Jamaican Vibes. So yes, I'm still in Spur Tree. So right now I'm at Claudia's rest stop. And trust me, when you want to have a cold ginger beer and cold red stripe beer, you all need to stop at this bar on Spur Tree at Claudia's rest stop. Very, very clean place, my people. Very, very clean place. So I take a walk up in the shop and show you beauty. Very, very relaxing place. So when you come at Spur Tree, you need to stop at Claudia, rest stop, nice place to be. Very, very lovely lady also. So she will take care of you, man. So you need to stop right here, having a cool red stripe beer and enjoy yourself. So how it been in the coronavirus? How business go?
First it was down, it was kind of slow, but things pick up and...
Yeah, but hopefully things will get better, you don't know, say. Yeah, I just see virus and it trouble affect all over the world. Right. So one love and I don't know, say, love you take care of the people, them, you know. And if you keep up the good work same way. Yes, man, so I'm going to take a good look. So you do foods and stuff same way? Coffee. Yeah. And so what time the business normally open at morning time?
5:30 a.m. until you say when.
Okay, so you know at 5:30, if you pass it in the morning at 5:30, you can stop right here. Yeah. So anybody want to big up somebody, anybody you want to big up anywhere over the world, they might hear anything you want to big them up. Just big up somebody.
Big up to all my customers from St. Catherine, Kingston, Manchester, and Saint Elizabeth. In my community. I'm just open recently.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful for all the support.
Yeah, so yes, my people, so when you come from Bahamas, UK, USA, so when you come to Spur Tree, from Haiti, from all over, you all need to, yes, my people, it's the place to be. So one love and one heart, you know? Bless up, you know? All right, so enjoy your day, all right? One love. I'm still at Spur Tree. So you don't know, so you don't want to dash pot. Now we stop right here in Spur Tree. And also, if you want your best peanut porridge, corn soup, you can stop right here in Spur Tree. So when you're passing through Spur Tree, you need to stop right here and have a cup of soup and some boiled corn. You all need to stop and have one. Very tasty corn, very tasty. So you see corn like crazy. I don't know, so if you stop right here and have a corn soup and also no best peanut porridge. So we have corn like crazy. You see? Pot of boil, you see it? So true Jamaican vibes. So yes, my people, you can stop right here. Best peanut porridge and also your corn soup and your corn. So this is where you can get your organic fruits. As you can see, still in Spur Tree. So you have your gooseberry, organic, and also you have your mangoes, green skin, but you know we call it blacky. And also you have your lime. You know, say lime good for hypertension and everything, you know. And also you have your peanuts. So you know, it's a one stop right here. If you want to get everything, also some sweet sap over there. Some real Jamaican sweet sap. So when you come to Spur Tree, you need to stop right here and get to know peanut, sweet sap, pear, and our pranganut. So you know, say so you know we call this a Jamaica. We call this a the pranganut, you know. We call this a the pranganut. So you know say a straight organic. And it's very good for circulation. Very, very good. So you need to check out the bridge now when you come to Spur Tree. One stop and you get everything you want. Everything you can think about.